Okay, so obviously you guys are back for part 2 to learn how to port forward. Now, in order to do this, you need to take the default gateway code 192. This is mine, not yours. Yours will be completely different. 192, or it might be the same. 192.168.1.1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Internet Explorer, and I'm going to type that number in. 192.168.1.1. Whoa, what the heck? Alright. I already have a link here because I've done it before, obviously. And the username, it should be whatever your whatever your router username is, like its name and then its password. And if you don't have one, I think your default password is admin, or there's just no password. Now, this is for a Linksys router. You're gonna have to find out how to get to here without with a different kind of router. So you're gonna want to, if you have a different kind of router that's not a Linksys, you're gonna want to go to portforward.com. Just right there. Enter. And it's this one right here. Damn it. I hate it when it does that. Alright. So basically, what it's gonna do, it's gonna bring you to right here, port forward. And it's gonna have a name of all these types of routers. And you're gonna have to look for the code on your router. Like mine is WRT, WRTG. Where's WRTG? Oh wait, I think it's this one. I'm not sure. Let me check real quick. WRT 54G. 54G. Oh, R. No, we don't want that R at the end. 54G. Right here. So then I click it, and it should bring you right here. Bad. Don't want to solicit stuff. They'll do it for you. That's such bullcrap. I'm showing you how to do it for free right now. Yeah, so basically, no, we don't want to buy it. It should say, it should usually comes up with a picture and stuff. You can have them do it for you, but I wouldn't recommend it because I'm showing you how to do it right now. So anyway, if you have a Linksys, sometimes it'll be under applications and gaming, like mine is. You want to go to port range forward. I'm not sure what port triggering is, but I think my friend's, that's what his was called. Yeah, see that's the exact same thing, pretty much. So I'm just gonna put, well, I'd leave the application blank. That's what I usually do. I'm just gonna put, you can put Minecraft. I'm pretty sure it'll still work, but I'm not going to. And what you're gonna want to put for start, I'm gonna delete this, and you're gonna want to put 25565 for start, and for end, you're gonna want to put the exact same thing, 25565. Protocol, both, and then your IP address. This is where it comes in. 192.168.1.100 is mine. 100. So go back to this. Check your IPv4 address. 192.168.1.100. So I got it right. Oopsie. Well, actually, it doesn't matter. You can exit out of that. So then you're going to want to hit enable. And when you scroll down, make sure you hit save settings. It should say save settings somewhere or continue. So continue. Exit out now. Sorry about that. Then now you should be able to go in here. And another thing you're going to want to do, to check your IP address. I'm not going to click into it because I don't want people they'll see my IP address to connect to my server, but you're gonna want to. This is what I go to anyway. Go to IP chicken, and you click in there, and it will tell you your IP address, like the one that you tell your friends, and then they connect to your server, like, and then that's what you put in to connect to your server. So when you go over to let's go into Minecraft. We'll log in. Then you go in the multiplayer. I don't want to go in the multiplayer because it says my server. And for 1.8.1, this is going to be the same for all of them, all of the different updates that you do. So when you do that, you just connect. So it has the thing where it shows up on the page, and you can do direct connect or you can add server. And you're gonna want to, when it says IP address, you're gonna put what that number in. So let's just think of a random number. Let's do 89.653.69.57. I don't know. That's usually it's a 2 3-digit numbers and then 2 2-digit numbers. That's what it usually is. But anyway, once you're done with that, you can ask one of your friends to check if it works or not. And once you're done with that, you're done. So, congratulations. If it worked, you made yourself a basic Minecraft server. And you pretty much do the same thing for a bucket server, except you need to know what kind of system you have. And to do that, you go over to Computer, right-click it, go to Properties. And mine is obviously a crappy one, 32-bit operating system. And it's a Dell. I don't think that really matters, though. That doesn't matter. It just matters what this is. I have a really crappy computer. So, then you get the special code. You can get it from, like, and you can get it off of bukkitcraft.com, which I might put the link to in the description, but probably not, because I'll probably just make another tutorial. And then you make a new document that's just like this, pretty much. See, here's the 32-bit code. So if you want to make a craft bucket server, I will put this in the description. See, I'll copy it right now for you. Copy, and I'll put that in the description. See, what's wrong with this one, though, is... No, actually, I don't think there's anything wrong with this one. You make a new Word document, and when you go to save it, and it says, name it start.bat, and then once you save it, and you go to rename it, it should say like start.bat, and then it'll put like .txt at the end, I think, or just say text. You get rid of the .text part, and it'll be a thing. It'll be like a start.bat, which runs the server pretty much, and I made a folder for this too. And you drag that into your folder, and you hit start like this, and it'll start running it. It'll start running the Craft Bucket server. And then you can get all types of plugins, which pretty much like protect your world and like economy, so you can buy stuff. And I'll probably make a more detailed tutorial on how to make a Craft Bucket server, but other than that, that's about it. I hope you're happy with your Minecraft server, and if you're not, oh well, shouldn't have watched this video. Don't say I wasted your time, because you're the one who chose to watch the whole goddamn video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.